Get ready, start. This criminal appeal has been preferred by appellant Ramdev against the judgment and order dated 15/9/2016 passed by a special judge, Prevention of Corruption Act, Additional District and Sessions Judge, Court number 2, Lucknow, in sessions trial number 75 of 2013, State versus Ramdev, arising out of case crime number 247 of 2012 under section 302 IPC, Police Station Mohanlalganj, District, Lucknow, whereby the appellant has been convicted under section 302 IPC and has been sentenced with life imprisonment and fine of rupees 50,000 and to further undergo imprisonment of 3 years in default of payment of fine. Brief facts necessary for the disposal of this case are that on 15/6/2012 at 8:45 am, a written information was given at police station Mohanlalganj by the appellant that his wife has committed suicide by burning herself. Acting on this information, SI Suresh Chandra Mishra along with SHO Sanjay Kumar Pandey arrived at the spot and collected the remains of the deceased, which were found in an iron box, and prepared inquest report exhibit K 4 of the same, and also prepared necessary papers, that is Chitti RI exhibit K 10A, photo lash exhibit K 11, the sample seal exhibit K 12, Chitti CMO exhibit K 13, and took the photographs of the remains materials exhibits K 1 to K 6 and sent the same for postmortem. The postmortem of the remains of the deceased was performed by Dr. R.C. Gopal on 15/6/2012 at 2 p.m. and a report exhibit K 3 was also prepared. The cause and time of death of the deceased could not be ascertained as the remains were consisting of burnt pieces of bones and ashes. Therefore, the remains were sent for forensic examination and opinion of state medico-legal expert. Joint Director Medico Legal Expert UP sent its report exhibit K8 void letter dated 25/8/2018 to the circle officer Mohanlalganj, wherein femur bone pieces were found to be of human being, but due to the fact that remains contained only small pieces of bones, the age and sex of the deceased as well as the cause of death could not be ascertained. An application was also given by one Neeraj, son of deceased, to the SHO Mohanlalganj on 9/7/2012 at 16:05 hours, stating therein that his mother Srimati Manju was living with appellant for the last 8 years. She was owner of a vehicle namely Tata Magic. On 17/6/2012, he was informed by his sister Nirmala that their mother, namely Srimati Manju, has been done to death by the appellant Ram Sagar, his wife Srimati Guddi, and their sons by putting her on fire. When he arrived from Ghaziabad, he came to know that his mother has been burnt by confining her in an iron box in the night of 15/6/2012. Stop.